When it comes to enhancing the beauty and functionality of your home's exterior, outdoor lighting can play a pivotal role. Whether you want to improve your home's curb appeal, increase security, or simply create a welcoming atmosphere, professionally installed outdoor lighting can make all the difference. While some homeowners might be tempted to handle the installation themselves, choosing a professional outdoor lighting company in Mound is a smart investment for many reasons. Here's why hiring the experts is well worth the cost. Expert design and customization. One of the biggest advantages of working with a professional outdoor lighting company is the ability to access customized lighting designs tailored to your home and landscape. These experts have the knowledge and experience to assess your property's unique features and create a lighting scheme that enhances its best aspects. A professional designer will consider the architecture, landscape, and ambiance you want to create when designing your outdoor lighting. Whether you want to highlight a beautiful tree, illuminate your home's facade, or add a soft glow to your outdoor living space, a professional will know exactly how to achieve the perfect look for your property. This tailored approach ensures that your lighting isn't just functional but also aesthetic, transforming your outdoor space into something truly special. Increased home security. Outdoor lighting doesn't just enhance the visual appeal of your home, it also plays a critical role in increasing home security. Well-placed lighting can deter potential burglars, as criminals are less likely to target a home that is well lit and visible from the street. Professional outdoor lighting companies in Mound understand the importance of strategic lighting for security purposes. They know where to place lights to eliminate dark spots around your property and ensure consistent coverage of key areas like doorways, driveways, and pathways. Motion sensor lights, in particular, are highly effective in enhancing security, as they alert homeowners to movement and scare off intruders. By choosing a professional company, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is safer and more secure. Energy-efficient solutions. One common concern homeowners have about installing outdoor lighting is the potential increase in their electricity bill. However, professional outdoor lighting companies are experienced in recommending and installing energy-efficient lighting solutions. They will typically use LED lights, which are not only energy efficient but also last longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. In addition to choosing energy-efficient lighting, professionals will also ensure that your lights are installed with appropriate timers or motion sensors to minimize energy consumption. This means you'll get the benefits of enhanced security and aesthetics without unnecessarily increasing your energy costs. Durability and longevity. The outdoor lighting is constantly exposed to the elements, making it prone to wear and tear. Improper installation, low-quality materials, or poor maintenance can lead to lights malfunctioning, flickering, or breaking over time. A professional outdoor lighting company in Mound uses high-quality, weather-resistant materials designed to withstand extreme heat, rain, and UV exposure. Moreover, they ensure that the installation is done correctly, so the lighting fixtures remain functional and long-lasting. With professional installation, You don't have to worry about bulbs burning out quickly or wiring issues. Your outdoor lights will stand the test of time, offering reliable performance for years. Time saving and convenience. Another key benefit of hiring a professional outdoor lighting company is the time and effort you'll save. Installing outdoor lighting requires more than just plugging in a few bulbs. It involves careful planning, proper wiring, and ensuring the lights are safely installed. Unless you have the right expertise, attempting to install outdoor lighting on your own can be time-consuming, frustrating, and even dangerous, especially when dealing with electrical work. By hiring professionals, you can rest easy knowing the job will be done efficiently and correctly. This allows you to focus on other tasks or enjoy your beautiful outdoor space while the experts handle the technical aspects. Increased home value. Well-designed outdoor lighting can boost the value of your home. Home buyers are often drawn to properties with attractive landscape lighting that showcases the home's features and adds to the overall ambiance. Whether you're looking to sell your home or just improve its overall appearance, professional outdoor lighting is a smart investment that enhances your home's curb appeal and marketability. Conclusion: a worthwhile investment for your home. Hiring a professional outdoor lighting company in Mound is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. From expert design and energy-efficient solutions to enhanced security and curb appeal, a professional lighting installation transforms your outdoor space into a more functional, beautiful, and secure area. If you're looking to improve your home's exterior, increase its value, and create a welcoming, secure environment, choosing a professional outdoor lighting company is the best decision you can make. Take the first step toward transforming your home by contacting a trusted outdoor lighting professional in Mound today.